Congratulations! You have solved the yellow cross. Now, let's learn how to solve the yellow face. This time, there are a bit more possibilities. There are 4 possibilities, but we've grouped it into 3 possibilities. For example, after you've done the cross, you see a cross and a dot. For this possibility, rotate your cube until the dot is on your lower left-hand corner. Then, do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. So notice that I did right free instead of right inverted. Actually, right inverted is like this, but I did right free, which is actually the same, but I like to do right free. So you guys can just do right inverted. That is like the easy way. And you've solved the yellow face. Now let's talk about the other possibilities. Now, for example, you have this dot possibility here, and you put it on your left hand down corner, and you did the algorithm but as you can see, you didn't solve the yellow cross. Well, that is another possibility. And for this cross with a dot, there are 2 possibilities, only 2. So the first one is when you put it on your left hand down corner, you'll see a yellow dot facing you. This one, I call it the winning strike. If you see it, then if you do the algorithm, it will automatically make the whole face yellow. So if you don't believe me, I'll show you. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. As you can see, the whole yellow face is solved. But if you got the other possibility, which is after you've put it down here, the yellow is not facing you, but like there are no yellow pieces here, then I figured out a way. Turn the cube so that the dot is on your right hand top corner. Note that this is only for cross and a dot possibility with no yellow dot in here after you've placed the dots in your left hand bottom corner. So if you're this case, turn the cube so that the dot is on your right hand top corner, like this. Then do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. Ta-da! Solved yellow face. Now let's talk about the other possibility. This is the possibility where there is a cross and there are 2 dots. The dots could be either like this or like this. So that means they could be with a whole side and 2 corners, or just 2 corners either side. So to solve this, rotate your cube so that a yellow dot is facing you in the left hand top corner. If you rotate it like this is in the right hand top corner, so it is wrong. You need to rotate it until it is on the left hand top corner. Now, do the same algorithm for solving the first cross with a dots algorithm, which is right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. This is going to be a common algorithm for solving the yellow face because most of the beginners method use this algorithm, so yeah. Now after you do this, you should see that it either becomes the cross with dot or something else. So just follow the algorithm for that possibility. For example, now after we did that algorithm, we have made ourselves the corner with a dot, and after we placed it on our left hand down corner, it doesn't have a yellow facing us. So we will turn the cube until it is on your right hand top corner. Then do the algorithm I taught you. Right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. Ta-da, yellow face solved. Now, there's one final possibility. This possibility is only the yellow cross, so you don't have anything else. To solve this possibility, rotate your top layer, or you can rotate the whole cube, and until you find like a yellow dot. Then put the yellow dot to your left. So you find a yellow dot on your right hand top side, then rotate the cube so it is facing to your left. Note that it only works with the top right hand corner one. So if you find this and turn it here, it won't work. So you need to find like corners here. Like for example this one, because this is in the right hand top corner. Then rotate the cube and it would be facing this side. Then do this algorithm. This is going to be the same algorithm as the one I taught you at first, which is the most common algorithm for solving the yellow face. So here goes. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Now as you can see, we have made it until the cross with a dot. Now as you can see, after we place the dot to our lower left, now we can see that there is a yellow dot. So now we can do the algorithm. Right, up, right, inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Ta-da, yellow face solved. Congratulations, you have solved the yellow face. This is going to be the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe, or you can comment down below if you want to give some ideas and feelings about this series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.